Anong title na to?
Okay, ad-lib testing number 1 and action.
Ano ba kasing ginagawa mo sa buhay mo?
Hindi ko na alam eh.
Mag-English ka na lang. Mag-English ka na lang.
Ad-lib testing number 2 and action.
Ano ba kasi ginagawa mo sa buhay mo?
I don't know anymore. I always thought he was the one, but ever since he left me, I don't know what to do anymore.
O, di maganda pa ng trabaho.
It's so hard.
Madali lang. Pumunta ka sa internet. monsterjob.ca. O, di ba?
How do I even have an internet when I don't even have any money anymore? I don't have a job.
Kasi sabi ko nga, di maganda pa ng trabaho. Sinabi mo yun na ba job? Ano ka ba? Mag-isip ka nga. Kung ano ginagawa mo sa buhay mo eh. Nagda-drugs ka pa.
That's only a long time ago.
Oh. Ba't ka umiiyak? Okay lang yan. Napagdaanan na rin nila yun. Pero ako hindi ko napagdaanan yun. Pero sabi ng mami ko, kahirap. Ampun lang daw ako.
Ampun na baka.
Okay.
Ad-lib test number 3 and action.
Ay, nako. So, musta na kayo ng boyfriend mo?
We broke up already.
Nakita ko lang kayo kahapon ah.
That was his twin brother.
Wow!
But he's just my brother. There's nothing
Oh.
going on.
So, akala ako kayo pa rin. Eh, sino nung kasama? Oo, kaya pala may nakita ako kahapon. Siya may kasamang iba.
What?
Yeah.
My ex?
Yeah.
With who?
Teka lang, sino ex?
My ex. Bernardo.
Bernardo? Ex mo yun? Ang pangit nun eh. Ang kapal ng kilay. Like, hindi man lang nag-aayos. Amoy putok pa.
But he's nice.
Okay.
And he always pays for everything.
Oh. Alam mo, pag nagsasalita ka minsan, hindi ko kasi maintindihan. Igalaw mo ng upper lip mo, okay?
I can help it. My mom dropped me when I was a baby, so it's always like that.
Ma'am, akala ko ba adopted ka lang?
Adopted? How did you know?
Kasi ako ng tatay mo.
Dad?
You can just do
Do not touch, miss.
Wow.
It went so far.
Oh, what the?
It went so far.
What? Oh my god.
Tita.
Two, take two.
Yeah.
Nosebleed.
Sorry.
Nosebleed.
Sorry.